So yesterday's market was range bound, and that range has broken quite badly because the overall Wall Street has declined and declined very bad. I mean, you can mix it up with any news. Here it is about the Fed and what they are thinking about the economy and the interest rate moving forward. But at the end of the day, it is the price that has declined and declined quite bad. So with this backdrop, let us see what lies on the last day of this trading week, or 16th of December. And I have been saying this one thing very regularly, I would say, that we are trading in the month of December where the volumes are low and volatility is high. And even though I will still believe that even though the breakdown is quite sharp, where the Nasdaq has fallen by more than 3%, Dow Jones is nearly 2.25%, 2.5%, S&P 500, but this is a big bout of volatility that is visible. And once this month walks away, we will see a fresh kind of move by the end of this session. So by then or till then, be ready for a big bout of volatility going forward, and don't try to do something which you don't understand. Now, I mean, before talking about today's or intraday move or the price action on 16th of December, one thing is very clear. If you are looking at the long-term indicator, so this is the weekly chart of Dow Jones, you can clearly see a negative uh, crossover in stochastic RSI, and it is in an overbought trajectory. And if you are looking at the daily price chart, you can clearly see how the price action has been. So things are looking very negative as far as the trend is concerned. So let us see what is happening as far as Dow Jones is concerned and what one can expect in today's trading session. So if you are looking at this chart, so this is the hourly chart, you can clearly see a range breakdown, okay, that is very much visible. And even though we have seen some sort of recovery in the fag end of the session, but this index does not sustain or does not move back higher. So this is a very bad thing, and both your stop losses has already been hit and hit quite badly. So your support of 33,419 has already broken. Your stop loss of 33,257 has already broken. So until and unless Dow Jones sustains above 33,420, do not expect any up move on the upside or going forward. And if Dow Jones continues to sustain above 33,257, then the next two support level we have here in the upcoming session will be 32,487, and we have 31,950. So things can extend and extend very big, okay, even because 700 800 point downside, and there is hardly any recovery even in the pre-market session. So if things about to go bad, it will definitely going bad. So these are the two next support which we are going to look at. So for today's session, with a stop loss of 33,250 and 33,420, you can look for a target of 32,487 and 31,950 on the downside. Talking about the Nasdaq, which has fallen the most, obviously it will so similar kind of trend whatever we have seen in Dow Jones, the similar kind of move in Nasdaq has also broken below its important range or the support level on the downside. So if you are looking at the price chart of a Nasdaq, so this is what we have here. So here your support level of 10,988 and stop loss of 10,915 or 10,920 has already been broken. So now these two levels are going to be your resistance zone. So if you expect any such upside, or if you are expecting an up move in Nasdaq, then wait for the Nasdaq to surpass 11,000 or more, okay. And if it continues to trade below 10,900 920, then the next support we have here is 10,350. So this is a very big downside that will probably open up. Now talking about the S&P 500, which will have a cumulative impact. So here the bad thing is the range has broken down. Okay, I've been talking about this upside, but this upside has broken down. So what we are going to do, we will shift our range a bit, and now you can see how does this looks like. Okay, so right now Nasdaq is not down and out like S&P 500 and beg your pardon, and Dow Jones and Nasdaq. So S&P 500 is not down and out. So what you can look at is your stop loss of 3886. If S&P 500 continues to sustain above 3886, then it is fine. Otherwise, the next two support level will be 3744 and 3679 on the downside. So this is what we are going to look at as far as the price action of today's USA market or the Wall Street is concerned. So things are not at all looking good, and the big volatility has really damaged the mood. And because this is the last trading session of this week, and we will officially go into the Christmas holiday week, going forward, or we will officially enter this week. This Saturday and Sunday will officially be called as the Christmas holiday week. It will start from this weekend only. So do not expect traders to take big positions with them, and the risk will definitely be on the lower side, because if there is no buyer on the upside, or if somebody is not going to take positions for long, which is a very unlikely scenario, you will see a downside going forward even with the less volume. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.